Greetings, DeKalb County School District parents and guardians. My name is Dr. Connie Stevenson, and today we will provide a step-by-step process for creating a campus parent account. The Campus Parent website and app allow parents of students in grades K through 12 instant access to the students' schedules, attendance, grades, and even report cards. Parents, you can even update your household information, including email, home address, and telephone numbers, and complete annual enrollment on the website. Let's get started. Once you have received your activation key from your child's school, you can now create your unique parent account. If you're logging in from a web browser, 1. Visit the district website at DeKalbSchoolsGA.org. 2. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the infinite campus icon. 3. Select Campus Parent. 4. Select New User. 5. Input the activation key provided by the school. 6. Create a username and password. 7. Once logged in, you will be asked to confirm your email address and submit your password. You are now ready to use the Campus Parent app. Let's look at mobile app versus desktop login. Are you wanting to receive updates on your child's grades and attendance instantly? If the answer is yes, we recommend downloading the Campus Parent app on your mobile device. The mobile app is ideal for parents or guardians who enjoy the on-the-go accessibility at their fingertips. If you're logging in on a mobile device, 1. Download the Campus Parent app from either the Google Play or Apple Store. 2. Search for your district name and state. Select your district from the list. 3. Click Campus Parent. 4. Enter your username and password. 5. Click Login. Now that you're logged in, what's next? 1. Monitor your child's grades weekly in Campus Parent. 2. Communicate with your child's teachers via the email addresses found in the app. 3. View district announcements and school messages in the app. We thank you for ensuring your child's success by creating and monitoring your Campus Parent app. Feel free to contact your child's school or your region's Title I Parent Center facilitator to attend additional parent engagement workshops throughout the school year.